kinasuhan nila Attorney Vic, nila Kong Ungab ang House of Representative, Senate, at saka ang Office of the President. Initially because there are blanks doon sa bicameral report. Okay? Ito yung sinasabi nila kung bakit checkmate talaga dito ang BBM administration. Okay? Ito yun. Kapag ka kasi, tinransmit ni Martin at ni Chisa Escudero ang enrolled bill based on a very questionable bicameral report. Ibig sabihin, ang nag-guarantee that everything was okay, everything was okay doon sa 2025 budget ay si Tambi at saka si Chisa Escudero. 'Di ba? Pero ang binigay ng House of Representative na kopya ng enrolled bill or ang nakuhang kopya nila Attorney Vic nung mga nagdemanda ng enrolled bill ay walang pirma ni Tambi at saka ni Chis Escudero. So clear yung intention. Gusto ni Chis at saka ni Tambi na ipunas yung dumi doon sa kung sino tumanggap ng walang pirma, na hindi sila kasali. Hoping na siguro they will be exonerated. Pero how irresponsible are you that you're going to transmit an enrolled bill na wala kayong pirma? I'm pretty sure it will catch up on them sooner or later.